Hey, what is up guys? This is the Tone here, and today I'm bringing you guys another speed art video. So this is for an advertisement for G Fuel, the new moon pie flavor. I have not tried it, but it just came out recently, I think. I just saw the design for it and the idea behind it, and I was like, man, I really want to make a design for that. So pretty much what I did is I took the original G Fuel tub image, and then I took a picture of a moon pie, and then I manipulated them, and you'll see it all unfolding as I'm speaking. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. The song in this video is by an artist named Boys Cry, so it's an amazing song. It's a remix of 100 Gex beat song, and yeah, the past two videos I've also been trying to like shout out cool musicians that I like and know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and peace out.
Trying to find a way to kill time. I didn't even get to tell you goodbye. I was trying to find a way to kill time. Now you're gone and I can never say goodbye. This feeling's going to my head. I'm thinking things I shouldn't say. You circle me inside my room. I couldn't go another day. This feeling's going to my head. I'm thinking things I shouldn't say. This feeling's going to my head. I'm thinking things I shouldn't say. Oh my God, what the fuck do you want? Oh my God, what the fuck, yeah, I'm up. Call me up, I'm blowing up. What the fuck do you want? What the fuck does she want? She want me, don't give her attention. Don't want you in my missions. I'm looking for a way to tell you